Inflation is a real threat to the wealth of many retirees today, especially as the cost of living continues to rise. But what if I told you that there's a way to protect your savings from inflation's erosive effects? This is where gold IRAs come in. They can provide not just a hedge against inflation, but also long-term security for your retirement. In this video, I'll walk you through how exactly gold IRAs work to protect your wealth, especially if you're nearing or already in retirement. If you want to learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to secure their retirement, click the first link in the description below to get a free gold IRA guide that breaks it all down for you. Now let's dive in. Inflation eats away at the purchasing power of your money. What you could buy with $100,000 today may only be worth $90,000 in a few years if inflation continues unchecked. The challenge for retirees is that their fixed incomes often don't adjust as quickly as inflation rises, leaving them with less to cover their daily expenses. Gold IRAs, however, are one of the best ways to shield your wealth. Historically, gold has been a proven store of value that tends to rise in value when inflation is on the rise. This is because, unlike paper currency or stocks, gold is not subject to the same inflationary pressures. As governments print more money or increase debt, the value of gold typically increases, making it a natural hedge against inflation. The beauty of a gold IRA is that it allows you to hold physical gold in your retirement account, where it can grow tax-deferred until you're ready to withdraw it. Unlike traditional savings accounts or stocks, where your wealth can be subject to market volatility, gold's value is rooted in something tangible, its physical properties. This makes it a safer long-term investment when compared to other options like bonds or cash, which lose purchasing power over time as inflation rises. Some people may wonder, why not just keep cash or invest in bonds for safety? Well, with inflation, the value of cash is consistently eroded, and bonds, though safer, don't provide the kind of returns that can outpace inflation. In contrast, gold IRAs provide a dual benefit. Gold itself appreciates in value, and you get the added tax advantages that come with using a retirement account. So, what makes gold IRAs so appealing to retirees? If you're someone who has worked hard to build a solid retirement, you're likely looking for a safe place to park your wealth where it won't be affected by market crashes, inflation, or rising living costs. That's where gold IRAs come into play. As inflation rises, the value of your gold can increase, potentially protecting your retirement savings from being eroded. In addition to this, gold IRAs allow for easy diversification. By adding gold to your portfolio, you're spreading out your risk, making your retirement savings more resilient. If the stock market takes a hit or inflation surges, your gold holdings could offset those losses. It's a simple, powerful way to build a more secure retirement. Now, I understand that making the switch to a gold IRA can feel like a big decision, but if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, it's worth looking into. Thousands of retirees are already taking action, and you could be one of them. Don't wait until inflation further eats into your savings. If you're interested in learning more about how to protect your wealth with a gold IRA, be sure to click the first link in the description. This free guide will help you understand everything you need to know, from the basics to the benefits of using gold as a hedge against inflation. Now, if you're someone with at least $100,000 in an IRA or 401k, or even $5 million or more in savings, this guide is perfect for you. Gold IRAs are a smart, secure solution for high net worth retirees who want to protect their wealth for the future. Again, if you want to learn how gold IRAs can help protect your savings from inflation, click that link now and get your free gold IRA guide today. Don't wait, protect your wealth now while you still can.